Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, we'll go through the steps to add a new item to a timeline module. This timeline module can maybe be used on pages like this, a history page, or sometimes in admission steps. And if you wish to add a new item to it, it's quite easy to do. In this particular video, we'll go through how to do that on the history page on the Crossing Heritage Academy website. The first step, as usual, is to enable Visual Builder. Once the Visual Builder has loaded up, we're going to scroll down to the timeline module, and you'll see that it's actually one large module. And going into the settings here, so hover over the module, click on the settings icon for module settings, you'll notice that it has submodules within. If we want to add an item, the easiest way, in order to avoid a lot of extra styling, is rather than clicking on Add New Item, which you could also do, but then you're going to have to pretty much recreate everything, the easiest way is actually to duplicate the previous module, and it will automatically create a new one below. Then it's simply a matter of clicking on the settings icon for the new one and changing the information. So once we replace the date for the ribbon, then we'll also put in a new title here. And you can see it's actually dating. There might be a little bit of a delay after replacing the ribbon, but you can see now everything's being updated as I update the information within the module. And that's pretty much everything to it. If you want to add a button to a particular one, you can enable the button here by clicking on the show button toggle, put in some button text, and of course put a link URL, and your button will appear. If you want to style the button, you can click on design, click on button, use custom styles, and then start modifying your button styles. Going back in here, I'm going to remove that button, and we'll leave the timeline module as is. So, quick overview, the easiest way is to duplicate an existing module. Oh, one other item here, if we go into the settings, we'll want to change the admin label to 2025, so that way we don't get confused as to which is which. The admin label is what shows up on the back end here, the name of the actual submodule, whereas the ribbon item is what appears publicly. Click on the green check mark to save your changes, then click on the purple button to open up the global menu and click on Save to publish your changes. If you have any further questions on this subject, please reach out to Gradelink website support.